Welding Basics and Safety. Introduction to the course. Welding environments involve high temperatures, electrical equipment, fumes, gases, and potential workplace hazards, making safety one of the most important aspects of welding operations. Understanding proper safety procedures helps prevent accidents, injuries, equipment damage, and long-term health risks. Whether working in construction, manufacturing, fabrication, or maintenance, welders must follow safe practices and industry regulations to create a secure and productive working environment. This course is designed to help learners understand essential welding safety principles and build awareness of safe operational procedures used within modern industrial workplaces. Learning outcome. After completing this course, you should be able to understand welding safety principles preventing workplace accidents and hazards. Identify welding hazards and apply appropriate protective equipment correctly. Maintain safe environments using ventilation, equipment handling, fire prevention. Recognize UK welding regulations including COSH and HSE requirements. Develop awareness of risk assessment and safe systems.